Okay, we want to find the area or the surface area of the composite solid, which is made up of a pyramid on top and a rectangular prism on bottom. Now, the thing that we have to be aware of when we're doing this is we are not going to be including the bottom of the pyramid or the top of the prism because it's no longer on the surface. It can't be a part of the surface area. So as we do this, we just need to do the area of all the sides and then add them together. So starting with the bottom, we have a 6 by 6 rectangle, which is going to give us an area of 36. So 6 times by 6 is going to give us a 36. Okay, now looking at the right hand side, we see this can be 5 by 6, which is another rectangle that we can use here. So 5 times by 6 is going to be equal to 30. We should also notice that the left hand side is going to be the same as the right hand side. So that's going to be another 1. So we can times this by 2 to get to 60. Now, looking at the front side, we should be able to see that this is going to also be 6 by 5. So when we're looking at this, we have another 6 by 5. So 5 times by 6 is going to be equal to 30. And again, the front and the back are going to have the same dimensions here. So that is also going to be 5 by 6. So we're going to times this by 2 to get another 60. Now what we need to do is we need to move on to look at the triangles. So we'll look at the base of the triangle, which we can see is going to be 6. And we know the base and the height because of the right angle in there. The height of the triangle is going to be equal to 4. So to find the area of a triangle, we do base times by height divided by 2, which in this case would be 6 times by 4 divided by 2, which would be 24 divided by 2, which would be equal to 12. So that would be this front side here would be equal to 12. And we have 4 of these because this would be 4 by 6. This other side over here would also be 4 by 6. The back side would be 4 by 6. And the left side, which is hard to see, right, is going to be 4 by 6. So we can take 12 and times it by 4 for the 4 triangles and end up at 48 for those triangles. Finally, as we are finishing this up, we want to do the area of all of these together. So we would take 36 plus 60 plus 60 plus 48. Adding these together, this becomes 14, carry the 1, 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 6 is 16, plus another 4 is going to be 20. So we should end up with 204 meters squared for the surface area of this composite figure.